In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install the right XM trading app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, to install this app on your phone, for this case, I'm going to show you how you can do it on Android. Look for Google Play Store app, and from Play Store, search for the app by name. So I'll just search for XM. Now, to know which is the right app, because we might be having a lot of imitations almost similar or closer with this name, go to this app. This is the app I'm looking for. Tap on it to see details, and first you want to make sure it is from Trading Point Group. This is the official company of this app, and at the time of recording this app had a star rating of 4.5 with over 125,000 reviews, which means it has been reviewed a lot. Currently this app has been downloaded over 10 million times, and the average size is at the moment around 114 MBs. So if you see all these details and this logo, then you know you have the right app. To install, just tap on install, and this will download the latest version of XM app and then install it on your phone. Once the app has been installed, now you can open from here or through your apps, and this is the welcoming logo for this app. So that's how you can install the right XM trading app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.